Shops can get busy, and as technicians become busier, it can be easy to forget about one of the most important strategies for success: maintaining a clean shop. So in today's video, we'll share the best tips and strategies for keeping your shop clean and organized. Let's start with the items you use daily, such as jacks, jack stands, and common tools like wrenches. Make sure that each of these items has a dedicated spot, whether in a toolbox, between two bays, or tucked in a corner when not being used. Shop floors must always be clear of tripping hazards, so be sure to return items like rolling creepers when you're finished with them. Additionally, make sure not to overlook spills like oil residue and other fluids on the floor. To make cleaning those spills easier, we recommend having peat moss or kitty litter to help absorb the liquids. Also, be sure to place combustible fluid-soaked rags in their designated safety bin, which should have an automatic closing lid to avoid any potential for fires. Cleaning measures can also change depending on the weather. For example, cleaning the floors may occur more frequently throughout a shift if it's raining or snowing, as moisture is often dragged in from trucks. One of the best practices to follow is to return items back to their original condition. Return items when you finish with them and clean your tools after regular use. When it comes to all of these cleaning measures, it's important to follow regulations that apply to your area. And remember, a clean shop is a safe shop.